I'm now going to make a fruit smoothie, and part of that smoothie is going to be using the cantaloupe seed milk I just made in the Auto IQ Nutra Ninja blender system. That's a mouthful. Okay, so I'm going to put some cantaloupe. My cantaloupe wasn't very big, so it's almost like half a cantaloupe actually. Some fresh strawberries. A couple of bananas. So cantaloupe, strawberries, and banana are going in there as my fruits. I'm now going to put my seed milk in there, my cantaloupe seed milk in there. The seeds actually stuck to the bottom, and I'm thinking that they would be really good to put in my fruit smoothie. Being as that I'm adding chia seeds and whatnot, why should I not add the seed of the cantaloupe? Now I'm going to add sesame seeds, flax seeds, these ones are the gold ones, some poppy seeds. This is all these seeds, they make it stick to your ribs, give you lots of nutrients. That was chia seeds. And then to further the liquid needed to make the smoothie, I have a homemade oolong iced tea that I use. And there we go. I'm going to use the food puree button here, and I run it twice. Time to try my fruit smoothie. My smoothies, I make them with all the seeds in them because of the extra nutrients, and I find that this smoothie is like a meal in itself, and I will keep it with me throughout the day. It keeps me from snacking because this is my snack. Okay, you know what? That is so good. That was so easy to put together. And now I have my snacking food for the rest of the day. Please like, share, or comment if you found this video helpful. Thank you. Have a great day.